Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can upload a document on Wix. So let's get started. All you need to do, go and log in with your Wix account. Once you're over here, you're going to click on the site and apps at the left and click on edit site. Once your classic editor will be open, now in the left we have some options. So click on this plus icon and then click on search, and you have to search for document. Now we have upload button and document button. So you're gonna tap on document button, and from here you can add the Word file, Excel file, PPT file, and PDF. Anyway, so after that we're gonna select the Word file. So I'm going to select Word file from here, and a new dialog box will be open. So we have to choose our document over here, click on upload media and upload your file. Click on add to page and we have done. You can see the Word file is now uploaded. Now the users on your website can read this document by pressing on that. So this is basically how you can upload a document on Wix. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.